Hey YouTubers, hey viewers, we're going to see what we can get up to with this barrel today. Keep watching, see what happens. I think that's pretty nice, that looks good. This might leave there. Use it as a pot stand. So So you could always use it as a toolbox holder, so you're not on the ground with the tools, getting rusty or dirty or muddy. Kobe, where are all my shifters? Have you seen Kobe? Move it around. It's going to hold up. Right, Katie. It's going to hold up. We'll do the rubber. You can tie your shoelaces with it. You have it sitting at the front door. You put your shoes on. This is the stand. Quick look over our subscribers the last 28 days. Gracie wants to do one with the chicken. You can make it a perfect chicken stand. No, no. I don't think she's liking it, and she's going to pull on it. Don't let her pull on it. Let it go, let it jump. So you can make a potion stand with your barrel for Halloween. I know it's a couple of weeks after, but it's still a good idea for next year.